My name is Lena Wright. I am 34 years old. I am married. My husband's name is Jack Wright. We have been married for 4 years. We do not have children. I trust him. I believe he is a good man. One evening, Jack drives me home after dinner. The road is dark and small. On one side, there is a high cliff. On the other side, there are trees. Jack is driving fast. I ask him to slow down. He smiles and says, "Everything is okay." Suddenly, the car turns quickly to the side. My door shakes. My heart beats very fast. Jack reaches across me. I cannot move. For 1 second, I think he wants to push me. Then he pulls the steering wheel hard and stops the car. We sit in silence. My hands are shaking. Jack looks calm. He says it was nothing. He says the road is dangerous. He starts the car again and drives on. I do not say anything, but something changes inside me. The next morning, I wake up early. Jack is already dressed. He says he has things to do. He leaves without kissing me goodbye. That feels strange. He always kisses me goodbye. All day, my mind stays on the road, on the cliff, on his hand reaching across me. I try to tell myself I am overthinking. But then small things start to happen. Jack lies about money. He says we are fine, but I find unpaid bills. He says he's working, but sometimes he disappears for hours. When I ask questions, he smiles and changes the subject. One evening, I meet his friend Mark for coffee. Mark talks too much. He says Jack borrowed money from him. Jack never told me that. Mark laughs and says Jack is charming, but careless. That night, I ask Jack about the money. He admits it. He says it is not a big problem. He says I worry too much. I try to believe him. A few days later, Mark dies. The police say it is an accident. Jack tells me he was not with him. He says he was at work. Later, a police officer comes to our house. He asks Jack the same questions again. Jack answers calmly, but when the officer leaves, Jack's hands are shaking. I notice everything now. Jack starts asking strange questions. He asks about my life insurance. He asks what happens if someone dies suddenly. He says he is just curious. At night, he brings me a glass of milk. He watches me drink it. I pretend to sip. My heart is pounding. I stop sleeping. I stop eating. I feel trapped in my own home. One evening, I decide to leave for a few days. I say I want to visit my mother. Jack insists on driving me. I do not want to go with him, but I agree. We drive the same road again. The cliff is there. The sea is below. Jack drives fast. My door unlocks. It swings open. I scream. Jack reaches across me again. This time, I pull away. I shout at him to stop. He slams the brakes. The car stops inches from the edge. We sit there, breathing hard. I ask him the question that has been living inside me. I ask if he wants me dead. Jack looks shocked, then tired. He tells me the truth. He says he is drowning in debt. He says he lies because he is afraid. He says he never planned to hurt me. He says the road scared him too. He tells me he was trying to fix everything alone. He says he made bad choices, but not that one. I listen. I watch his face. I see fear, not cruelty. For the first time in weeks, I breathe. I tell him we cannot continue like this. I tell him lies are killing us. I tell him I need honesty or nothing. Jack nods. He says he will face the consequences. He says he wants to rebuild, not escape. We turn the car around. Life does not become perfect. Trust does not return in one day. But we start again, slowly, with truth, with fear spoken out loud. Now, when I think about the road, I still feel cold, but I also feel strong, because I did not stay silent, and because I chose to face the truth even when it scared me.